Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to teach you the first chapter of geography. The name of the chapter is Environment. Learning objects are component of the environments, natural environment, man-made environment, domains of the natural environment, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. Ecosystem, human interaction with environment, human interaction and effects on environment, pollution, deforestation, and global warming. Let us see what is environment. Environment means our neighborhood. Everything around us is environment. If you look around you, you will find variety of things. You can boldly group these things as a natural and man-made. Natural environment consists of all the things which are created naturally, like plant, rivers, mountain, plateaus, valleys, etc. Natural environment is also divided into two groups: biotic environment and abiotic environment. Biotic environment. The natural environment includes a large number of living things which are known as biotic environment. For example, animal, plants, microorganism, etc. Abiotic environment. The natural environment which is include all the non-living things which are known as abiotic environment. For example, land, water, atmosphere. Man-made environment or human-made environment. Human-made environment includes large things created by human and interaction with others. For example, things like building, bridge, industry, train, bus, electricity. And human activities or interactions such as family, society, religion, education, economics, politics, etc. Now let us see the component of the environment. First one is lithosphere. This is the hard top layer of the earth's surface. It is also called the hard crust or soil crust. It is made up of rock and mineral and covered by the layer of the soil. It is in shape and not smooth like tabletop. For example, mountain, plains, plateau, valley, etc. Hydrosphere. This is the part of the earth which is covered with water. It includes all types of water bodies like ocean, river, sea, lakes, etc. Atmosphere. Atmosphere is a layer of air which surround the earth. It is a mixture of gases which change with latitude from the earth's surface. The gravity of earth hold the atmosphere around it. The atmosphere also has dust and water vapor. Change in the atmosphere affect the weather and climate. Biosphere. Biosphere is made up of a part of earth where life is possible. The biosphere extends from the deep root system of the tree to the dark environment of ocean. Ecosystem. Ecosystem is a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with the physical and chemical factor of the environment in which they live. All plants, animals, and human beings depend on each other and on the immediate surroundings of the natural environment. There could be different ecosystem in different environment like desert, mountain, dense forest, grassland, rivers, ocean, and even in the ponds. Human interaction and effect on environment. Thousands of years ago, humans lived a simple lives like wild animal. They killed other animal for the food or even eat fruits and other plant product. Slowly, the development took place in human life. He interact with environment and for the comfort of life he start to spoil environment. Effect on environment. Industrial development cause a huge amount of pollution. The smoke released by industry and automobile, burning of dry leaves and plastic cause a lot of air pollution. The drainage of wastes from towns and cities as well as excessive use of chemical, fertilizer and pesticides in agriculture cause a water pollution. Deforestation. Large scale deforestation is happening around the world. There is an increase in demand for paper and wood products. A large area of forest has been cut for the construction of colony and agriculture use. It affects the wildlife and life of tribal people. Most important one, global warming. When the carbon dioxide observed the infrared radiation which has caused the average global temperature to increase. The main cause of global warming is the combustion of fossil fuel. Dear student, in this chapter you have learned about the environment, component of the environment, natural environment, man-made environment, domains of the natural environment, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere, ecosystem, human interaction with environment, human interaction and effect on the environment, pollution, deforestation and global warming. Please revise all these things again. Thank you students.